In today's video, I'll answer the question, how to study Jamaican patois. So if that's something you would like to know, please keep watching.
Come and me teach you patois now.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shan's Patois Academy, Jamaican Patois Simplified. My name is Shan, your Jamaican Patois teacher from Jamaica. In today's video, I will talk about how to study Jamaican Patois. Actually, I'll be telling you how to study a language, any language. These tips can be used for any language. However, the focus today will be on Jamaican Patois. So let's get right into it. The first thing, motivation. Why are you studying Jamaican Patois? You need to be clear on this. Are you studying it because your favorite artist is a dancehall artist? Is it because your parents are Jamaican but you grew up in another country that's not Jamaica and you want to keep in touch with your roots, you want to understand what your parents are talking about? Is it because you have Jamaican friends, a Jamaican partner? Is it because you love reggae music? Is it because you're a huge fan of Usain Bolt? Is it for a job? What is your why? And is it strong enough to keep you going? Number two is, what is your schedule like? How much time do you have to dedicate to studying per week, per day, right? Do you have a half an hour block per day that you can dedicate to studying Jamaican Patois? Do you have 2 hours per week? It is a good idea to have like a set time each week or each day that you want to dedicate to studying. However, if you don't have a set time, like if your schedule is really busy, then you can just make a target, like every week I will study for 1 hour, and you try to fit in, even if it's 10 minutes a day or 20 minutes a day, and you try to fit in your target time in your schedule. But you need to have some time available to study the language and try to commit to that time. Number three, learn the structure of the language. What do I mean by that? Some persons may have already learned another language, but some persons may not have, So maybe Jamaican Patois is the first language you will be learning. Now, each language have different structures. For example, if you are learning Spanish, you can just focus on 4 different sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. But if you're learning a language like Japanese, for Japanese it's a little more complicated because they have a whole writing system that's so separate from English. You have to dedicate time for that, separate from just writing sentences. So it's like, learn the structure of the language. For Jamaican Patois, it's very simple actually. It's just 4 different areas you need to focus on. That's reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Now for each section, for listening, when it comes to listening, this is the easiest area that you can get resources. You can listen to music. The reason why I love music is because when you're studying with music, it doesn't feel like you're studying. You can listen on the go. You can listen while you're, to go to bed. There are some really good reggae music, some dancehall music. All of those are very good sources. If you're a beginner, I suggest listening to some reggae music because a lot of them mix English with Jamaican Patois. So it's not so difficult to understand because you can pick up a lot of English words. But if you're more advanced, you can listen to some dancehall artists there are reggae artists who do this as well, but for dancehall, you'll find that it's a lot more straight patois, or less English words are mixed in it. So if you're more advanced, dancehall is a good source for listening. Also, there are many YouTubers who use Jamaican patois only. There are many comedians who use Jamaican patois. So YouTube is a very good source to find listening materials. And movies, there are Jamaican movies made in Jamaica with Jamaican actors. I'm gonna make another video with Jamaican patois study resources. I'll do that later on. But listening, with the listening section of your Jamaican patois study, that's where you can get materials really easily and quickly and free. Now we have speaking. Once you get to listening, it will be much easier for you to speak Jamaican patois. So how I suggest you improve your speaking is to speak. So try to find a Jamaican friend to practice speaking patois with. However, if that is difficult for you, you can mimic what you hear. You know, when you're watching the YouTube videos, you can try to mimic the sounds that you hear, mimic the words that you hear. And I think you can find Jamaican patois teachers online that you can practice speaking with. But I will do some more research into that. And like I said, I'm going to make a resources video so that you'll know where to look for ways to practice. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I mean, do so. But speaking isn't limited to speaking to another person. You can speak to yourself. You can listen to something that you hear and practice verbalizing it. See if you have the same sound as the person who is saying it. Things like those. Okay? The next thing is reading. With reading, there are many sources. So, for example, there's the Jamaican Patois Bible. Now, I like this source because it is consistent. Once you learn the Cassidy JLU writing system, there's a whole video on my page about that. I'll link it here. The Jamaica Patois Bible, it follows that directly. So it's a very good reference. Even if you're not a Christian, just to learn how to read, that's a very good one because it's so consistent. There are other works with different spellings that you can use. Miss Lou Poems, that's a good one. There are many books online on Amazon. There's a link below for the Jamaican Patois Bible if you want to purchase that. But there are so many other books. For writing, it's the same. I try to use the Cassidy JLU system and you can practice. So try to keep write a journal or something. You can also go on social media, on Instagram or on YouTube, and try to comment in Jamaican patois under the YouTubers that you watch that are Jamaican and see if that works, because it's a good way to practice. The thing about language learning is that you need to be practicing all the time. The only way to get better at listening is to listen. The only way to get better at speaking is to speak. The only way to get better at reading and writing is to read and write. So try to practice, get as much practice as much as you can. Learning a language is literally a practical skill. You need to practice. Now the final point is to be consistent. If you learn 10 different vocabulary words today and you never use them, you're going to forget them, because that's how language learning works. You have to keep practicing consistently. You can't study 10 words today and 10 next month and then expect to be fluent or expect to even remember the 10 that you studied last month if you're not consistently using them and if you're not consistently studying. So what I suggest is that you give yourself a few months. For example, you can say, I'm going to study consistently for April, May, June. Just 3 months. And you give yourself that time to focus on Jamaican patois. You find as many resources as possible. You structure your studying. You make sure that each study session or each week you set aside some time to listen, some time to speak, some time to read, and some time to write. All of these go hand in hand. So if in one study session, say you have an hour to study, you can say, I'll listen to some music for 10 minutes, and then I'll try to speak to somebody or myself for 10 minutes, and then I'll read something for 20 minutes, and I'll write something for 20 minutes. And this will be more effective than if you spend the entire hour just listening to music. So these are my tips on how to study Jamaican Patois. This is what I use when I'm teaching languages, and this is what I use when I study languages. So make sure you know why you are studying this language. Make sure you have available time and you allot time each week for language learning. Make sure you learn the structure of the language. In this case, it's listening, speaking, reading, and writing, and you set aside some time each study session or at least each week to learn in each different category. And then you try to be consistent. I hope you found this very helpful. I hope you just be consistent in your Jamaican Patois learning. I'll try to do more videos. I'll try to be consistent and try to put as much information in the videos that you can find them useful. And yeah, so I hope you found this video useful, and let me know if you have any more questions in the comment section below. And please check out some of the other videos that are on this channel.
Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican Patois vocabulary. Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine.